Estate Motivated. We are here. We are finally finishing up interior framing. Got a couple things left to fix, but it's been a long week. Yeah, hopefully no more trips to the store. But if this is your first time to Real Estate Motivated, my vlog, my name is Reggie Mead. I am a real estate entrepreneur, a real estate project manager for the best development company in the world, Kimball Properties, located in South Baton Rouge, doing a lot of redevelopment out here. But it's my story, really just sharing my journey throughout real estate. And this is my duplex, which is a single family home I'm converting to a duplex. And yeah, it's coming along. Pretty much gonna be, what we're looking at? We're looking at 1,200 square feet on the main side. It'll be 3 beds, 2 baths. You know, the guest unit is going to be roughly 700, a little bit over 700 square feet, 1 bed, 1 bath. The plan right now is pretty much to Airbnb or travel nurse it. So we'll see. Yeah, it's definitely coming together. Let's check it out. Let's get kicks out the day out the way. You know what I mean? So back to the schedule programming. Yeah, so we got windows installed. I actually am really happy with the window selection that I went with. So yeah, roughly I got a couple quotes from subcontractors who was charging really roughly around maybe, let's say, 10 grand for windows with installation. So what I was able to do is buy the windows myself. Actually got them from Home Depot and basically got a sub to install them. So let's just say I ended up saving 4,200 bucks just with that alone. Now with that, I did go over lumber, my lumber budget, just because I had to close a lot of windows and I had to reinstall window framing. So, but 42 grand saved, which is really good. I think roughly right now we probably saved around, so far, roughly around 8 stacks, 8,000 with the siding included. But we're gonna see. Let's continue. So this would be the living room. Yeah, so this would be kind of like the living room, pantry. This would be the kitchen. Yeah, so it'd be an L shape. Yep, resize this window. This window was like 66 inches long. Now it's maybe about 50. Just because I didn't want the countertop to overlap the window. Wasn't really feeling that at all. But yeah, you can see the separation wall now from for both sides, really. And yeah, I mean, it looks, as of right now, it looks like it's a lot. It's like not that big of a space, but it actually really is. So yeah, I really wanted the pantry in another location, but this will do. You know, kind of like a separation. So pretty much from here to there will be the living room. And I'm pretty much gonna put like, well, I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm putting right there, but just know it's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be something nice, something fresh. So let's continue. Bathroom. Can you see that? Well, yeah, well, you see where the window was. Had to close it, man. Had to close it. Did a poll on Instagram, man. People want natural light, blah, blah, blah. Yo, they are wildin'. Look at this, man. Oh no, baby, that window got to go, okay? That window gotta go, man. No window in the bathroom, man. This is 1988. The thing is with natural light it raises your AC bill, because all the natural lights coming in, it's just like, it comes with a cost. You know what I mean? Especially if it's you know, this is not like a dream home. This is not something like that. It's really just a starter home, a starter investment home that I plan on house hacking. You know what I mean? Look, it's gonna be nice, but it don't need to be, you know what I mean, top tier. So yeah, man. We are here. So yeah, this is gonna be the hallway, and this right here is gonna be laundry room. Walk in. I'll tell you what I'm doing with that. So that's basically gonna be a barn door. Gonna just be able to slide, stackable. You know what I mean? You're gonna be able to walk in this room, blah blah. I use this as an office. Yeah. So yeah, this one's really small. High ceilings though. And the thing is, so originally on the plans, it had where it was basically going to be like double doors, where one open the door and you go to the closet. But since this is such a small space, I really wanted to utilize the wall. You know what I mean? If I want to put like a painting or put just put stuff, you utilize the space. You know what I mean? So really, what I did, close this wall in and kind of have like, this is a very small walk-in closet, but listen to me. So walk in, closet rack, and the sub's gonna fix this. He tried me thinking I didn't know what I know. Like, he gonna be able to put up broke 2x4. Come on, man. I'm not trying to fail inspection. Back to the subject though. So yeah, so basically closet rack. And up here, where I had them install the cabinet blocking, is gonna be pretty much 6 foot long, 2x4, 2 rows for shoes. On that side and on that side. And I might do one in the center as well. So pretty much you're able to walk in, go directly to your clothes, bye, and then yeah. And if you're doing framing or anything, don't forget about your cabinet blocking. Well, just blocking in this case, really, because I mean, you don't want to put a heavy rack and there's literally nothing there. You know what I mean? It just gives you a little bit more protection and security if you're trying to hang stuff in your closets and your cabinets and stuff. And really with this, yeah, man, I went to the dumpster because lumber prices are so high. I am not about to be paying extra for no extra unnecessary lumber. So basically what I did was all the extra wood that we were going to throw away, I'm pretty much saving. I had a lot of good 2x10s, really just saving for cabinet blocking. Yeah, man. So yeah, gonna put that in every closet. Put that where the TVs are gonna be going. Yeah, man. This room, closet. You know what I mean? Yeah. And these were actually in the original house. I'm gonna make probably gonna put those in the guest unit. Just kind of like, show my respects to the original property owner. Really just put those 2x10s and just hang them up, the style you be seeing on Pinterest, you know what I mean? Keep it like that. Yeah, and this is another wall that, cause this is not the largest room. So basically what I did is it's actually gonna be the primary room or master bedroom, what they call it. Yeah, so I really want to utilize this wall and not have a double door closet. So I closed that wall, switched it up. I have a little walk-in closet. You can see that. Yeah, a little walk-in closet. This side is gonna be where the tub is. Gonna build a wall up so we can have tile on each wall. Yeah, I mean, that's not bad at all, bro. Come on, man. Your boy be thinking, man. Thinking. Yeah, man. So vanity, toilet, tub. Yeah, good space, man. Good space. Just trying to utilize the space and the high ceilings without, sacrificing the quality. Yeah, you know what I mean. So where we at? We are on the rental side now. So keeping these doors, replacing that glass, keeping these doors. Yeah, with I have a window right here because again, natural light raises your utility bills, and especially if I'm trying to Airbnb or if I'm trying to rent it to like travel nurses and I'm paying utilities. I'm not trying to, not do all that. But yeah, because you got natural light coming from right here, 2 windows in the kitchen. So that's look. you good. You shining bright like a diamond and all that, you good. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's gonna be an L-shaped kitchen. Close that wall up. Close that wall up. L-shaped kitchen. This would be the living room. I'll add blocking right here. This used to be a window, so we're gonna add blocking, and that'll be where I'll put a TV, sofa right there. It's a good little space, man. It's a good little space. Now, if you remember my design from the previous episode of how I wanted this pantry, this closet, yeah. So let's backtrack a little bit. So yeah, you remember my crazy John. Basically what I'm thinking is have the pantry in the middle right here as a little closet as well, extending it out, also framing this as a new closet, opening up this wall. You probably like, what is he talking about? But look, man, stay in tune, learn something. Look, so basically what I am saying is, if you can see, this wall has all this room inside. Don't want to waste it. And on the other side, which is going to be the pantry, it has all this wall as well. It's hella dark in here, but there's a lot of room in there. So basically what I am saying is, because this is going to be a kitchen, L-shaped kitchen that's going to be closed off anyway. So right here, instead of building a pantry taking up square footage in the living room, thinking about opening up this, bringing it out a little bit, and they can utilize all this space and be a walk-in pantry slash closet. Extend it out. Also framing up a closet, having it right here where I have space up here, and don't forget about the space on the other side. Yeah, so pretty much this is gonna be pantry. Wow. Walking in there, gonna have racks up here, especially since the wood's already up there. It'll be more solid. Yeah, so walk-in pantry, 24-inch door, and then you have the bedroom, which is right here. I'm gonna put a barn door right here. So slide barn door, have the bedroom, 2 windows, that natural light, wow, closet. And I'm gonna add space at the top for you know, like two little cabinets. You can put storage, put you know, your Amazon package, whatever you want to do, man. Look, but you got space, and this is a really good sized closet. Look at that. Have a party in here, man. Yeah. And this wall right here, I ain't gonna tell y'all. But yeah, man, definitely, man, this is a very nice sized closet, like, and I'm happy I went with the decision that I went with. Where basically what I did was I opened up this wall, closed up this wall on the other side, which is the kitchen, and really just took some of that space that was in the original pantry and really just brought it out. And this bedroom was a nice size, man. So pretty much probably designed the bed right here, some barn door right here, put a little TV right here, put a 32, you know what I mean? And this is oh yeah, that was the original drawing that I had that I did on floorplanner.com, because I changed a couple things. Yeah, so basically barn door, pantry door, closet feeding off of the same wall, being flush, bedroom. Yeah, man, look. Watching a master at work, I ain't a rookie. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Walk in the back. Washer and dryer, stackable. Got this right here, bathroom. No, I had to close that window, man. Come on, get out of there. But yeah, had a lot of development stuff this week. Project managing, picked up another property that I'll be managing on the construction side as well. Yeah, man, which is good. I mean, it's a bonus, you know. Yeah, man. So, oh, another great thing, we got our tax credits for one of our properties, and yeah, man, I did the part 1, part 2, part 3, and I passed it my first time actually going through the historic tax credit process. So basically, I'll break that down for you. So if you have a historic property and it's within a certain area, it'll qualify for historic tax credits, and you can get 20% Fed and get 20% state. Basically, what happens is you can get, let's say, 40% off of 40% of your construction costs and back to you. So if it's 100 grand you spend on construction, that's 40 stacks. You know what I mean? 40,000. So what you can do is you can actually sell them and get maybe like 80 cents of the dollar, or you can really keep them for yourself for your personal taxes. But yeah, man, you got to go through the part 1. Part 1 is more of like a walkthrough with a consultant. Part two is more taking pictures, having the actual plans of what's going to be. Part 3 is really just submitting all the actual construction costs, the receipts, the invoices, all that stuff, the numbers. It's a lot of tedious work, but it's worth it. I mean, I'm especially if you getting that money back. And yeah, man, finish it, man. I mean, when you're doing historic projects, it can be a lot, especially like they want it to look exactly like the original structure. For example, don't change interior, don't change the fireplace, don't change if the original house had original red bricks, you cannot paint them black, you cannot paint them gray, you can't paint them at all. You know what I mean? Just stuff like that that they really want to keep, you know. But yeah, I mean, yeah, man, it's been a good week. Didn't really have too much time to do a whole lot of recording, but yeah, man, we in it. It's moving. Next week we'll be focusing more on exterior, roof, and siding. Hopefully start that fence and knock my shed down. No more tiny home dreams, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's gonna be a good week. Stay tuned.